In this video, we are going to learn how you can use OpenAI's API key in order to access ChatGPT training models and pass our details in order to create a chatbot. But before we create our chatbot and access OpenAI's API, we have to access its API key, and before that we need to have an account on OpenAI. So in order to create an account, go to platform.openai.com, and once you are on this site, if you have an account already, you can log in over here using your email address or using your Google or Microsoft account. In case you don't have it, you have to go to sign up. Use an email address over here. Once you enter your email address, click on continue. It will ask you to enter a password. You can use any password. I am just giving you a sample. It will ask you to confirm your email address. It will send you an email confirmation on your mail, and once you are done with it, it will ask you for your phone number in order to confirm your account. And after you have confirmed your account, go back to platform.openai.com. So once you have confirmed all the sign up steps, and once you are allowed to log in, just log in with your account. Like I have logged in using my account. You can see my account has been logged in, and it shows over here that I am using a personal account. Now in order to use the API key, you can go to this link for API reference in order to learn more details how you can use this API key. For now, I'll be showing you how you can create one for you. Just go to your account personal and click on view API keys. If it shows some other text like get API key or generate API key, click on that. And over here it shows list of API keys that I have. Since I have already, you can see my API key over here. Also just remember that you cannot see this key once you have created it. So if you are creating a new secret key, just make sure that it will be shown to you only once. So store it in a safe and sound place from where you can access it whenever you need it. Otherwise you will have to delete it and then create one again. For me, right now I have created one key. You can do same by using create new secret key button over here. And once you have that key, get back to our Visual Studio Code. Now inside our project folder, let's go to our project and create new .env file. We'll be creating an environment variable over here and call it OpenAI secret. OpenAI secret key, and over here you have to paste your OpenAI secret key. So it would start from something like SK and go with a random string. So paste that over here. I would not be showing you my string for sake of privacy. So once you are done with it, click on save. And for the demo purpose, I am entering some random string so that you can understand how you have to do it. Once you are saved, close this. So that's it for this video, and in our next video we are going to install the dependencies for OpenAI and then later create the UI for our chatbot.